Police constable and girlfriend implicated in murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in Clarendon say they have arrested a police constable alongside his girlfriend and another individual as part of an ongoing investigation into the murder of a man identified as Danny Lowe. It is reported that Lowe was murdered on December 27th in the vicinity of Longville Park Boulevard in the parish. The police constable is also under investigation for possible breaches of the Firearms Act. This development is part of the wider investigative process reflecting the ongoing efforts to thoroughly examine all aspects of the case. As the investigation continues, updates will be provided, the police said in a statement. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.